In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control which account codes appear in your zero profit and loss sections. If you've ever looked at a profit and loss report and wished you had more control over which accounts show up in each section, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Xero's layout editor to decide exactly which account codes appear under specific headings, so your report matches how you prefer to review performance. First, log into Xero. From your main dashboard, head to the reporting area. This is where all your financial reports live. Find and open the profit and loss report you want to adjust. Opening it first gives you a live view of the current structure, which makes it easier to see the impact of your changes. Next, click Edit Layout. This takes you into the Layout Editor, where you can adjust the way sections and accounts are grouped. You're not changing your underlying chart of accounts. You're simply telling this report how to present the data. Choose the report section you want to refine, such as operating expenses. Selecting a specific section focuses your changes, so you're only affecting the part of the report that needs attention. This is especially helpful if certain accounts tend to clutter a section, or if you want to group similar costs together for cleaner analysis. On the right side, look for the Details panel. This panel controls how the selected section behaves. Under Rules, click Include Accounts by Code. Using account codes is the most precise way to manage what appears, because codes are unique and consistent even if names are similar. Now, select the account codes you want included in that section. Think about how you analyze your business. Perhaps you want only certain expense lines showing under operating expenses, while others sit elsewhere. Selecting by code ensures only those specified accounts flow into the section. Take a moment to review the selected account codes. Confirm that everything you intend to include is listed, and that you haven't accidentally missed or duplicated anything. Remember, accounts not selected here won't appear in this section, so accuracy matters. When you're satisfied, click Update Layout. Your report will refresh with the new structure, and you'll immediately see the effect of your choices. From now on, that section will display only the account codes you chose, giving you clearer, more targeted reporting. That's it. By tailoring sections with Include Accounts by Code, you gain precise control over what shows up in your zero profit and loss reports, making them cleaner, more consistent, and easier to interpret.